Hi guys, it's Mrs. Adam here, and I am at a meeting this morning, so I'm not in class, but I do want to talk to you guys today about the Secrets and Safe project that you guys are going to start planning today. So you guys will all be receiving a planning sheet that you guys are very familiar with. This is the same planning sheet we've been using for all of our projects. So today the objective is for you guys to work on your planning sheet after you watch this short video. So this is a little explanation about the Secrets and Safe project, and there's three options that you will be able to choose from. The first option is a security system that alerts you when someone has opened a secret of notebook of secrets. So you guys will be able to create, if you choose this one, a notebook, and if somebody would open it, then like an alarm would go off or the LED light would go off, something like that. That could be that first choice. The second choice you could do is a device that sounds an alarm when a spy removes a priceless object from a locker, box, or safe. And the third one you could do is a system that notifies you when an intruder is detected in a restricted area. Here's a short video that just kind of explains those a little bit further. So in other words, when somebody was trying to steal the donuts, the buzzer or alarm went off. So you guys will be doing something very similar to that. These are the requirements for your project, and I would suggest maybe writing them down on your planning sheet so you remember that you do all of them. So you have to use at least one input. Okay, so an input could be the photocell resistor, the flex sensor, pressure sensor. Those could be the inputs you use. You need to use at least one output, and you have to use a microbit, obviously. The outputs could be the buzzer or the LED lights or the LED grid. And then there has to be the activate and deactivate feature. So those are very similar to what we did yesterday. So you'll want to use that piece of paper that I gave you guys yesterday that has those three tri-codes on there. And those could kind of give you an idea of how to start this. And there is just one vocab word for this little unit that I wanted to mention, and that's the word iteration. And that's just repeating a process to yield successful results to reach your goal. Now, this project is challenging just because, you know, right now I'm not going to give you like the code to actually do. You need to take what you learned and apply it. And so you're going to need to remember to be problem solving your way through. You'll use your notebook for your resources. You can also use the help zone that's located in the back of the room. And then remember that strategy, ask 3 before the teacher. That's going to also help you through this. This is the design process that you guys are going to go through. You know, you're going to today define your problem, find a way to solve it, come up with ideas, do your solution, build and test, evaluate, and then present. So that's the process that we will be going through here this week as you guys are doing the Secrets and Safe project. So for today, I want you guys at this time to get with your partner, and the sub has your partners. I just randomly picked them through Dojo this morning, and what you're going to do is get with your partner and then start your planning sheet today. I really want you to focus in on the idea, you know, which of the three choices are you going to do out of these three choices here that were in the little video. Are you going to do the notebook? Are you going to do the device that gets removed from, or an object that gets removed from like a box? Or are you going to do like an intruder goes into a restricted area? So if you did that, you could build a little house out of cardboard, and like if somebody would go through the door, then it could trigger the alarm. So you will be building stuff out of cardboard, little mock-ups and things like that. We are not doing any building though today. Today is the day where you are planning. Tomorrow, hopefully, you'll be ready to start coding and testing. And then on Thursday, probably start building your projects. Anyway, hopefully you don't have too many questions, but if you do, just send me an email. I might be able to answer that through email today while I'm at my meeting. But hopefully just ask each other for help. You have today to work on your planning sheet, the idea, the algorithm, and the flow chart. Okay, that's all. Have fun working, guys. See you tomorrow.